Have you ever told yourself, this is the last time? But a few days later, the urge comes back, and you feel like you lost control again. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of men struggle with excessive masturbation, and the worst part isn't just the habit itself, it's the guilt, the loss of focus, and the feeling that your energy and motivation are slipping away. But here's the truth most people don't realize. You can regain control. In this video, you'll learn how to stop excessive masturbation, control your urges, and rebuild your self-discipline with practical tips that actually work. And make sure you stay until the end, because one simple mindset shift can completely change how your brain handles urges. First, let's talk about the real reason this habit becomes a problem. Most people think masturbation itself is the issue, but in reality, the problem is usually lack of control and frequency. For many young men, this habit becomes excessive because of everyday triggers. Things like boredom, stress, loneliness, late-night phone scrolling, or constantly being exposed to stimulating content on social media. Think about the typical situation. You're alone in your room, you're bored, you're scrolling on your phone, and suddenly your brain suggests the easiest form of quick pleasure. That's how the cycle starts. The more often it happens, the more it becomes automatic. And that's where your brain chemistry plays a role. Your brain uses a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is basically your brain's reward signal. Whenever you experience something enjoyable, good food, winning a game, achieving something, dopamine is released. But here's the catch. Your brain loves easy dopamine. When it learns that a certain activity gives quick pleasure, it begins craving that reward again and again. Over time, your brain creates a loop, trigger to action to reward. And every time the loop repeats, it becomes stronger. This is why many people feel like they're stuck in the same cycle. But the good news is that habits can be retrained. Your brain is extremely adaptable. Once you understand the pattern, you can break it. The first step is identifying your triggers. Ask yourself a simple question. When do the urges usually happen? For many people, it's during late nights, when they're bored, or when they're alone with their phone. Maybe it happens when you're stressed or feeling lonely. Once you recognize the trigger, you gain power over the situation. For example, if scrolling social media late at night triggers urges, try setting a rule for yourself. No phone use 1 hour before sleep. Small changes like that can make a huge difference. Another powerful strategy is replacing the habit instead of just trying to remove it. Many people try to simply stop the habit completely, but your brain doesn't like empty space. If you remove a habit without replacing it, your brain will search for the same stimulation again. Instead, fill that time with something better. Exercise is one of the most effective replacements. When you work out, your body releases healthy dopamine and reduces stress. Even something simple like going for a walk, doing push-ups, or hitting the gym can redirect your energy. Many people notice that once they start exercising regularly, their urges become much easier to control. Another important technique is immediate movement. When an urge hits, don't sit there thinking about it. The more you think about it, the stronger it becomes. Instead, move your body immediately. Stand up, do 20 push-ups, take a quick cold shower, step outside for a few minutes. Physical movement interrupts the urge and resets your mind. Most urges are temporary. They usually last only a few minutes if you don't feed them with attention. Sleep also plays a huge role. A lot of people struggle with excessive masturbation simply because they stay up too late. Late nights often bring boredom, loneliness, and endless phone scrolling. That combination creates the perfect environment for temptation. Try building a better sleep routine. Go to bed earlier. Stay physically active during the day. When your body is tired, your brain won't search for stimulation at night. Better sleep improves focus, emotional stability, and self-control. Now here's one of the most powerful techniques for controlling urges. Instead of fighting them aggressively, learn to delay them. When the urge appears, tell yourself, if I still want to do it in 15 minutes, I will. Then distract yourself. Go for a walk. Clean your room. Watch something educational. Do a quick workout. Most of the time, the urge disappears. Why? Because urges come in waves. They rise, peak, and then fade. By delaying the action, you give your brain time to calm down. This simple trick is actually used in many addiction recovery programs. Another powerful way to overcome bad habits is focusing on something bigger than the habit itself. When someone has no direction in life, the brain naturally searches for easy pleasure. But when you're focused on building something meaningful, your career, your fitness, your skills, your future, you start protecting your time and energy. Discipline becomes easier when you have a purpose. Ask yourself honestly, what kind of man do I want to become? Someone controlled by impulses, or someone who controls his own mind? Remember, progress doesn't require perfection. You don't have to become perfect overnight. Change happens step by step. Maybe you reduce the habit this week. Maybe next week you gain more control over your urges. And over time, you build stronger discipline and confidence. Every small win strengthens your mindset. And the fact that you're watching this video means you already want to improve. That's the first step. If this video helped you understand how to stop excessive masturbation and control your urges, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more content about self-discipline, productivity, and personal growth. And if you're serious about changing this habit, comment below. Day 1. Let's build a community of people working on self-control and becoming stronger every day. Because the discipline you build today will shape the life you live tomorrow.